Hello Rifters, and welcome to another Dimension Tools guide. I'm Alfiebets, and today we're looking at the Alfiebets in Dimension Tools. So Alfiebets is a new feature added to Dimension Tools which allows you to literally write text and put it in your dimension. Ooh yes! So if you open Detail and go into Alfiebets, we then have our new interface for Alfiebets. So how do we use it? Well, first of all you need to type in a word. All these words letters can only be used from A to Z, no special characters, and spaces do not, can't use spaces either in this. So for example, if I say hello, capital letters doesn't matter, but I just like doing capital letters because of the first word. We then get to choose your font, the Lone Ranger, which is basically a Western font, and I'll show you that, and Magneto, which is basically just pole text. So for the Magneto, we'll get that out. We can choose between small, large and medium. Let's go for small for hello, and you can choose different skins from each individual kind of dimension block there is. So if you go into dimension tools, go to building blocks, all these different kind of blocks here which you can use tiles and planks or poles. Basically you can use it here. So let's go for some granite. Where is the granite? Granite right at the top. So if we print materials, it will tell you how many poles I need. I need 15. We can also place it horizontally or vertical. So if we load the word will start to, as you can see here, start to type in hello. And here we go. We have the nice hello, and it also gets all the letters highlighted for us, so we can now move it around. One thing to note, if you're building in a dimension with loads of other people, make sure that no one else is doing anything, so when you're putting your alphabets down, you don't end up missing any letters or anything like that. Just kind of like when you're using copy paste tool and load and set, like for example. So we can also do this vertically, and which for example will just make the letters go upwards. So it starts from the lower letter, and as we can see up here we now have hello here too. So that there is the pole text. And finally, let's go to the Lone Ranger, say hello. Let's go for a medium text with this time some limestone and horizontal. We print materials, uses a bit more. This one uses planks and tiles where Magneto only uses poles. So now if we click load, it will now load up hello in a Lone Ranger, which is just a Western font. So there we go. Rifters, it's pretty simple. You just type in your text, choose your font, choose your size, and choose what kind of material you want to use. If you want it horizontal or vertical, it also highlights it so you can then move it, for example. Pretty simple, to be honest. And as we see in the background here, we now have, this is all the different letters we have. So we have the A to Z in the Magneto, and we have A to Z in the Lone Ranger, and all the different fonts here in different sizes. So that's how small it goes from compared to the large, which is absolutely massive. And here's the poles over here and the Magneto, and how small they go over there too. So there we have it, Rifters. A nice little tool here that makes you allowed to add in your own text in 2 different fonts. And there may be more in the future, but for now, let's hope you enjoy making some text and placing it in your dimension. So thanks for watching this guide on how to use alphabets, and see you again for another video. See you later, Dimensioneers.